guys, me, Luigi, and today we're gonna see this cool action cars go around this track. So I got the green set up, and I'll show you the scene. There you go. See it? That's awesome though. But first I'm gonna show you a bit of this. See, we got this house, got the cotton balls to that. And then this is a hotel, and then we got this house. This is a double decker house. Oh no! It's a car! Not one. Okay, it's going back on the track, guys. It's all good. And then over here, we have these two houses. And we got the double decker house, which is mine. And we got the mayor, and it's Michelangelo. All right, so we're going to get the orange one and turn it. Oh. Sorry guys, a bit wonky today. I don't want you guys to see this stuff, so. Okay? So Mr. Orange, turn him on. Let's get that switch put on, and then he's ready to go. I'll show you the switch is right there. Grab him and put him on the track. And orange is way faster, so green, I'm going to show you one of the footage that I'm checking out. The orange is fast than the green. And I got a little special for you guys, if you guys want to see this. When you turn off the lights. Here's the cars. So when you turn off the lights, all the lights, you see after, not yet, turn all the lights off, they glow in the dark. So that's kind of a cool toy, eh guys? Oh wait, you can't see me. I'm trying to make the light go. So it's kind of a cool toy, eh guys? It's kind of a good toy. I mean, like, the glow in the dark feature. I mean, like, you can't see me though, but who cares? But it's a pretty good set, and I enjoy it. And thanks for watching, and you like and subscribe and hit the button and hit the notification bell. Ah! Just kidding, I didn't die. Alright, so comment, like, and subscribe if you want to see more videos. Goodbye!